Hey guys, it's Sam from Family Handyman and welcome to Under the Hood. Today I'm going to show you how to install snow tire chains on your car. These are great to use if you know you're going to be driving in some really bad weather conditions. If the roads are going to be snowy or icy, you're going to want these on your car. So let's get started. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to lay out your chains. And it's really important that for this particular model, these little hooks are facing downward. If they're facing up towards the tire, you can really damage your tires. So the installation process for snow tire chains can vary depending on the model and the make that you get. For this particular model, the cable will go into the back, so it'll be closest to the vehicle, and the chain portion will be closest to me. So you'll notice that there is an opening right here in the very middle of the chain. This is a slit that's created to fit around this portion of the tire. Now I'm going to wrap the chain around the tire. So the next step is connecting the cable through this keyhole lock. Okay, so now that's locked in place. When connecting this tension to this hook, important that you lift up this lever. Now I'm going to pull out the tension wire. I'm going to snap that onto this green hook. And just be aware that tension will start to form naturally on that. So now I'm going to try to actually center the chain onto the tire before I start messing around with the tension on the bottom. Next I'm going to do the bottom tension. So it's going to be the same process as the top one, except this is now going to go into a red hook. So I'm going to open that up, pull the tension wire over to the hook, latch it in. Once that is latched on, I'm going to actually flip this back up. And I'll do the same thing up here. So as I start driving the vehicle, the tension will naturally become tighter around the tire. So we're good to go. For more videos like this, check out familyhandyman.com.